It's 6:30 a.m., and the alarm clock's blaring jolts you from your peaceful slumber. You groggily stumble out of bed, racing against the clock as you rush through your morning routine. Coffee is brewed at lightning speed, breakfast is a hurried affair, and you're out the door with one shoe untied. You're all ready to brace for the chaos that awaits you in the world beyond. If this scenario sounds all too familiar, you're not alone. The relentless pace of today's world often leaves us feeling like we're caught in a perpetual sprint with no finish line in sight. Yet, deep within us, there's a yearning for something more meaningful, a desire to transition from the rush of modern life to a more intentional, contemplative way of living. Welcome to the journey of From Rush to Radiance, crafting your slow living routine. In this video, we'll explore the concept of a transformative slow living routine, a deliberate and mindful approach to daily life that has the potential to bring radiance to even the most hectic of days. Understanding slow living. Slow living is a deliberate, mindful approach to daily routines that starkly contrasts modern life's hurried pace. It emphasizes a shift from the frantic rush of constantly chasing time to a more deliberate, conscious engagement with one's surroundings and experiences. In the chaos of today's world, modern life often feels like a perpetual race, with an unending to-do list and relentless digital distractions. Slow living, however, encourages us to take a step back and prioritize quality over quantity. It asks us to embrace a more intentional existence. It's about reclaiming control over our time and making choices that align with our values and desires. At the core of slow living is the focus on presence, intention, and savoring moments. It involves fully engaging in the present, appreciating the beauty of the here and now, and intentionally choosing how to spend our time. It's about enjoying a meal without distractions, relishing a quiet moment of reflection, or immersing ourselves in a hobby or passion without the rush to finish. To dig deeper, we suggest you watch our videos about Embracing Slow Living, a quick guide to help you start slow living, and How to Start Slow Living, in which we talk about the myth that stops you from embracing slow living. After you finish this video, you can find it in the upper right corner of this video. The Morning Ritual, Embracing Tranquility. What warm, comforting beverage do you enjoy most in the morning, and how does it make you feel? The slow living morning routine offers a serene canvas for mindful practices, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Embracing tranquility in the morning is essential for cultivating a deliberate, intentional start to the day. My slow living morning routine, for instance, emphasizes the significance of beginning each day with purpose. In contrast to the frenetic rush that characterizes many mornings, a slow living morning routine encourages us to awaken gently, perhaps with the soft light of dawn. It urges us to savor each step, from preparing a nourishing breakfast attentively to the simple pleasure of sipping a cup of tea or coffee mindfully. The act of journaling, meditation, or a leisurely stroll allows us to connect with our inner selves and set positive intentions for the day. Incorporating these practices into our morning routine can help us ground ourselves, fostering a sense of calm and focus throughout the day. By intentionally crafting our mornings in alignment with the principles of slow living, we embark on a journey toward greater mindfulness and the promise of a more radiant existence. Transitioning to the evening, nighttime slow living. How do you typically spend your evenings before bedtime, and do you find it easy to wind down? Just as the morning slow living routine helps us greet the day with intention and calm, a night routine slow living style is equally crucial. It's about turning your evenings into tranquil rituals that facilitate relaxation and promote restful sleep. In a world where screens and the pressures of modern life often encroach on our evenings, prioritizing a night routine, slow living approach becomes an act of self-care. It's a deliberate effort to disconnect from the constant buzz of notifications and reconnect with ourselves. This nighttime slow living routine encourages you to shed the day's stress and responsibilities, letting go of worries and embracing the present moment. It provides an opportunity to engage in activities that soothe your senses and calm your mind, all with the purpose of preparing your body and mind for a night of restorative sleep. However, it's not just about sleep. It's about savoring the stillness of the evening, nurturing your well-being, and cultivating a sense of tranquility that extends into the night and blossoms in the morning. A night routine slow living style can complete the harmonious cycle of slow living throughout your day, making each day more intentional, peaceful, and fulfilling. Nighttime rituals for relaxation. Embracing a night routine slow living style is a transformative practice, nurturing a deeper connection to oneself and paving the way for a restful sleep. Engaging in activities such as reading, gentle stretching, meditation, and unplugging from screens creates a sanctuary of serenity in the evening. Journaling, aromatherapy, a warm bath, and herbal tea further enhance this calming routine, allowing the day's stresses to melt away. Taking a moment to connect with nature or practice gratitude before bedtime adds a profound sense of peace. These nighttime rituals for relaxation help you unwind and set the stage for a tranquil night's rest, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to embrace each new day with intention and serenity. Crafting your own slow-living routine. Designing a personalized, slow-living routine that aligns seamlessly with your preferences and values is a powerful step towards a life filled with intention, tranquility, and radiance. Begin with your slow-living morning routine tailored to nurture a peaceful start to your day. Consider the elements that resonate with you most deeply, whether it's savoring a quiet cup of tea, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in gentle movement. Your mornings become a canvas to paint with deliberate, soul-nourishing strokes. As day transitions to night, embrace the concept of a night routine, slow-living style. Here, the focus is on winding down with purpose, letting go of the day's worries and preparing for restful sleep. Activities like reading, meditation, or simply unplugging from screens can weave a tapestry of tranquility in the evening hours. Remember, your slow-living routine is a reflection of your unique desires and needs. It empowers you to reclaim your time, setting a positive tone for each day and ensuring a peaceful night's rest. In crafting this routine, you are the artist. Your life is the masterpiece waiting to be adorned with moments of mindfulness and radiance. So embrace the journey of crafting your slow-living routine and watch as it transforms your daily existence into a work of art. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, embracing a slow-living routine offers a multitude of benefits. It allows us to reclaim our time, find tranquility amidst chaos, and cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves. By savoring each moment and approaching our days and nights with intention, we unlock a path to attainable and transformative radiance. Remember, it's the small, intentional actions that can lead to significant positive changes. Starting your journey toward radiance can be as simple as adopting slow-living practices into your mornings and nights. These deliberate moments of mindfulness and self-care ripple throughout your day, leaving you feeling more centered, fulfilled, and in control. We'd love to hear about your slow-living routines and experiences. Please share them with us in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey. Remember to subscribe for more transformative content, where we'll delve deeper into slow-living principles and offer practical guidance. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and resources that align with the beauty and serenity of slow living. Together, let's craft lives filled with intention, tranquility, and radiance.